What's up guys, John here, and this is the unboxing of the new USB-C 18-watt power adapter by Apple. So let's go ahead and get to it. As you can see, I also bought a USB-C to lightning cable. I opted for the 1 meter option because I don't really think I need the 2 meter option. We'll start off by unboxing the power adapter itself. So here's the box, guys. Pretty small, which makes sense for a power adapter. I really like this idea of the little arrow on the unwrapping option for packaging of things like the iPhone and this adapter over here. So this should be pretty simple to peel off. Okay, here we go. Alrighty. And there you go, guys, here it is. It's just one of the things I love about Apple, how smooth and clean an unboxing experience is. And here's the adapter, guys. Let's go ahead and unwrap that. Here's that USB-C port. As you can see, it's not too big. I'm gonna go ahead and unbox the cable, guys. Just tear that strip off. Open the box. And voila, here it is. I think the 1 meter length is pretty suitable. I don't see myself needing the 2 meter one, but I guess that depends on your setup when you charge it. Here it is. So here's the USB-C end, and I'll go ahead and plug it in. There we go. Now, just to give you guys a size comparison, here's the 5-watt adapter that comes in the box of my iPhone XS. So this is how big the 5-watt adapter is that comes standard, and here's the size of the new USB-C 18-watt power adapter. So as you can see, size-wise, if size is an issue when you're like packing your stuff up and you're traveling somewhere and you want something that won't take up too much space, obviously it's still really small. I mean, this is obviously tiny, but look at this. I mean, size-wise, neither should be an issue, and this of course makes much more sense. As far as charging speed is concerned now, I was speaking to the Apple associate who sold me this new power adapter, and he actually told me that this was the first one that he sold. He's anticipating the 18-watt adapter to be maybe a bit less than 3 times as fast as the regular 5-watt one. Now, of course, don't quote him on that. He's not an engineer or anything, but this should be much more convenient. Now, the question is this 18-watt adapter worth the money? It's only $29, so I think the price point is much more enticing for somebody to get this fast charging adapter as opposed to buying the higher watt, more expensive power adapters that Apple has to offer. That's one thing. The other point is, definitely this makes a much better option over a wireless charger. Now, granted, wireless charging can be considered like new technology, it's different, but what is really the point of technology? It's not just about being new and different, it's also about giving you the highest value. So this would give you more value for your money than a wireless charger. Obviously, it's going to be useful if you, say, for example, forget to charge your phone overnight and you need some juice in your phone to get it up and running, and you just have enough time between when you wake up and the time when you leave the house. So obviously, a fast charging adapter would be useful in that scenario. There is one point I want to note about the cable though. Now, the cable sells for $19. I personally feel that this is really expensive. And the good news is Apple is going to be allowing third parties to manufacture their own USB-C to lightning cables, possibly starting in early 2019. So if you're not in a hurry to buy this fast charger, maybe you can wait until early 2019 when perhaps some of these cheaper cables will be on the market for less money. That's it for this video, guys. If you like this video, please like, share, and subscribe, and thank you for watching.